Hi everybody, it's Mr. D at In the Middle, Mr. D1 at blogspot.com, and this is the second video that I'm doing for day 2 of our time off of school during the coronavirus outbreak. And I want to share what I did this morning to get my kids to continue to have my children ready for whatever is coming, and of course none of us knows. I just told a friend on Messenger that I definitely feel like they need that sense of normalcy. So I'm continuing to give that to them. And this morning when I got up, what I would have done in my regular class is what I tried to emulate on the Google Classroom. So I made a review video of the sections of the songs that I taught brand new yesterday. And I went, I doubled on the piano slow for the first time, and then the second time faster, third time faster, and then the fourth time, if the song was really hard, I did that many reps. On the fourth time, I used the instrumental track, and I had it queued up and ready to go. So I made that video in probably 3 minutes, and I did one for each grade level, depending on the parts that they sing. And I did that for every different class that has a different part. So, it took maybe an hour of time, and I wrote out I'm getting faster on the second day. I wrote out the, procedures, so the objective, the procedure, 1, 2, 3, very clearly, because this is all new for them, and they need some help navigating it. So in the Google Classroom, yesterday, I think I mentioned I uploaded everything. I uploaded every track to the show that's coming up, instrumental track, and every piece of sheet music that I had purchased and put into their folders, so that they have that in a separate file. And I reminded them on there that, because this is, again, difficult for them to navigate sometimes when they're not used to it, I said, go into the materials file and find the tracks if you want to use them for practice. And the sheet music as well. Make sure it's printed out. If you don't have a printer, make sure you have a way to view it. All of those things to try to help facilitate when they're navigating, because something that really should take about 10 minutes for kids who are not used to it might take an hour, so until they get kind of used to what's happening. And then the third assignment I gave them was to review the songs that we were doing and that we had completed learning before they went on this hiatus for this time off with coronavirus. So I told them where the music was, and I told them that, again, I just reiterated that, and I said, you're probably going to need to have to make a video for me in a few days or maybe a week showing me what you've done. I just indicated that so they know there's going to be some accountability. And then the last thing that I did was I went into Infinite Campus, which is our grade system, our gradebook system. There is a way to send mass emails to the parents, and I have a Gmail list, but some parents maybe aren't on that, so I felt like this is the one that I needed to make sure everybody got. And I sent the parents, told them what I had done. I described what I just described to you. I said to please help them stay up on all the assignments because I'm teaching new material, and just help them get used to this new normal. I also included some documents we created back in the fall about, how do you get into the Google Classroom? Because, some of my 6th graders, may or may not have ever even gotten in there, or if they did, they may have gotten bumped out, or, and they just forget. And then I sent them the class codes again, just in case, because we've used it in the classroom periodically, but, things happen. So I just wanted to kind of keep all those emails from rushing into my inbox, like how do I get in there and what do I do? Even though it should have been solved a long time ago and I have a website with all that on it, but I just wanted to make it, immediately available for everybody. And today, from an emotional point, on my standpoint, I feel way less stressed. I think just getting used to, everything went faster for me this morning, getting everything uploaded. I kind of know where I'm headed. And I'm just treating this like a normal classroom situation in terms of how much material I'm trying to cover, and what I want them to learn, so that if we do go back to school, they'll have, some knowledge of what, depending on how much each individual works, some knowledge of what we've been trying to do. And if we don't go back to school, they feel that sense of normalcy that they need. I think they need to sing, and I wrote that in the parents, and they need to sing. They need to do it to feel a sense of normalcy and a sense of joy. So those are the things that I think I'm going to keep sticking to day by day as I get up. Now I am about to send out an email to people in my email list about a Facebook Live I'm probably going to do tomorrow, which is more going to be a support group for each other, helping each other come together, each of you sharing what you're doing, giving links to each other, because some of you maybe don't have a big show coming up, or maybe you feel like it's going to be canceled and you want to use other things, other tools, and I would like to learn about some new tools too. So I'm not exactly sure what time it's going to be tomorrow, but everybody's on my email list will get an email today sometime telling what time we're going to meet online on Facebook Live on Music in the Middle, Mr. D. All right, have a great day.